Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face with a facial cleanser. Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Then shade the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply the gel evenly at a coin-thick layer. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. Select 808-755-1064nm diode laser on the screen. Tap the facial icon on the screen, select the treatment area and skin tone, then tap SHR stack, Fluence, 50J/CM superscript 2, stack 1, 2 to 5, cooling level, 4. The operator must wear goggles as well. Perform the operation on the lips in a stamping manner. Wipe the treatment area. Remove the goggles and apply a mask. Apply a facial mask. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.